What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man, with Constrictors in the building again. Real quick video. We're gonna update y'all on this Pastel possible het hypo to Pastel Calico clutch we got over here. I actually shot the video a couple days ago, and then a couple of them shed out since then, so I'm gonna throw in a little update at the end, and so y'all can see them, you know what I mean, in their best light and all that. But before we jump into that, man, y'all already know what time it is. Kick that intro. Alright, so we're gonna check out this Calico clutch. Everybody shed out except this guy right here. Super Pastel Calico. Claimed, sorry. This boy going to my homeboy Travis. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. My homeboy Travis from South Sound Snakes. He just starting to shed. So he gonna look so good after this. I don't know if y'all can see how nice and bright that head is. And then how his pattern just literally disappears back here. Look at this. Gone. So shout out to Travis, man. He reached out ASAP when he saw the first video go up. So shout out to him. I'm gonna get this boy eating good and send him on over to you. Single gene calico. At least I think it is. It might be a normal. I've never made any calicos, but I think that's calico. Right there. If you ask me. And there's like no real alien eyes. Got a crazy color about them, a little bit golden. So I think this is a calico. A little bit of a head stamp, nothing major, like a heart, Mickey Mouse. Let's see if we can get a sex on it. Yeah, I think that might be a female. I don't know, unless you're holding pins in, but he ended up popping male. I'm pretty sure just a single gene calico. What I think is just a pastel, but again, might be calico. I've never made calicos before, so I don't know what they look like fresh out of the egg, but I think that's just a pastel. Or not just a pastel, but you know, just a pastel. But I don't know, it still has that kind of high rise going on over there. So, but I still think it's just a pastel. I don't think it's calico. It's a nice looking pastel though, I must admit. See if we can get a sex on him or her. Female, looks like. Try it again. Yeah, female. So pastel female will be available. I think this is a pastel calico. It just has more of pinkish color and less alien eyes, like cleaner alien heads. I could be wrong again. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Let me know if this is actually a pastel calico or the last one. The more I look at it, the more I think it actually might just be a pastel. But the tail got me questioning it. Let's see what we got. Another female. So, pastel is a female. I think that's actually a calico. The color ain't really picking up on camera like it is in front of me. Let me see if I can change the lighting maybe. A little bit closer to what I see. But it's not like pink. That's probably as close as I'll get to it, but it's a lot pinker down here. That's another female. This is gonna be my holdback from this clutch, because this is exactly what I was looking for in a Pastel Calico. Even more than the mom, to be honest. She might tag me because she's still in her baby skin. But look at that, man. Look how crazy that is. So that's gonna be the holdback, if it's a girl. If it's a boy, he can go somewhere. So nice back there, man. See if we got a girl. Female. Clean as a whistle. No red whatsoever. Very specific projects that I got in mind. So here go that feisty. Here, let's come over here. Here's that super Pastel Calico. Shout out to the homeboy Travis, South Sound Snake. Sitting nice on his fresh cocoa blocks. And this is that holdback girl. So this is just a Pastel Calico, but it's very nice high white Pastel Calico. Is she exploring her new digs? So that's it, man. A couple questionables for me, man. Like I say, it's my first time making calico, so I don't know. If anybody know and they want to give their opinion, say something down in the comments. I'll let your boy let me know with them. If them two pastels, you actually think they got calico, and if that normal looking one is possibly just a calico. Y'all let me know, man. I appreciate it. One more clutch, just one more to go. We got a banana to a Mojave. Shout out to the homeboy Rashad from 212. He made some banana Mojaves that is insane looking. So trying to, jump on that bandwagon and copy that. I think his might be head clown though. Mine's just gonna be, banana Mojaves. That's coming soon, man. I think it's at the end of the month as they do. So of course we're gonna keep y'all posted, man. I'm gonna update y'all on everything that's going on here in a little bit. Once I start moving some snakes and getting some, meals and some snakes, getting some fresh heads and all that, I'll let y'all know what's going on. I'm gonna start showing the holdbacks from last year and pickups from last year, let y'all see how everything growing and progressing and all that stuff, man. So stay tuned, man. I also got that 500 sub giveaway coming, so don't forget about that, man. Get in there and get you a inchy Mojave female. Yes, female. I'm at like 325 or something like that, so close but not close, you feel me? So do the things, man. Hit the button, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. That's how I'm gonna keep growing. More new eyes see it, and they like the content, they'll subscribe and keep an eye on me, man. That's how we grow out here. That being said, man, I appreciate it. Y'all be easy. Till the next time. Peace.